After you have added your Short Pixel, the two plugins you need from Short Pixel, in order so that you don't have to pay for a lot of more than you need, and also to help your website load faster, I recommend that you clean up any of the demo images. So if you used a demo plugin or you have a theme where you have a demo photos and everything, how you can check that is here you are in your dashboard of WordPress. Come over here and click on media, and you'll see all media items. And a lot of these are images that are already in our website, but if you scroll all the way down, you can start with the oldest ones. And in the oldest ones, these we don't need anymore. All you do is click on the image and you'll see this red letters, these red words that say delete permanently. Click that, and then it says you're about to delete this item and you're going to click OK. Very simple. Again, click on the image you want to delete, click on delete permanently, click OK, and it's gone. Same thing again, do it again, and you can just keep going and do this until you're at the images that you put on your site. Okay, just like this. And then you want to go through, let's say that those are all I think those are all the demo ones. So now what you want to do is you want to go through and get rid of some other ones that are not needed. So actually this is one from the demo. So is this. So I'm going to get rid of some of these, so a couple more of these. This one I want to keep there because I want to remind me that I need to put an ad there. This one I don't need. And this one I don't need. I don't think I need that one. No, I don't need that one either. All right, so that is all of those. Now what I want to go through is now you have, this is a little bit, you have to be a little bit more careful here because some of these are going to be, there'll be some doubles. And you want to make sure that you've replaced that image already. But there are some on here that are stretched out. So like these are the wrong size. So we're just going to go ahead and delete those ones there. This one here. Going to go ahead and delete that one. And I'm going to look through. Here's another one that's not any good. Just all stretched out like that. Obviously we're replacing those as we find them on our website. So I want to get rid of all of those because this way when we go to pay for the pixel, you buy credits, and then that way I'm not wasting my money, and I'm also making my site speed faster and making sure that everything is running as fast as possible, right? Here's another one that's like all stretched out. So we're going to look through and see what else we have. We should have two of each image. We have a large image for like a hero image, and then we have our small 400 by 400, which is our featured images in the Acrobato theme. So if you're using another theme, those might be different sizes. So I'm going to get rid of this one here. I didn't want that. Didn't want us to use that one. So there's some in here that I just don't like. And I was getting them replaced. Hopefully they've been replaced. Otherwise I'll have I'll have my VA go through and check these and make sure. That one might have to stay. So you just kind of look around and see, and then hopefully go through, and as you replace images, if you just make it a habit to come in and do it right away. Here's one that's stretched out that we can get rid of. And just make sure that it's all, you know, perfectly done. After all that, after you're sure that it's all cleaned up, and then you're going to want to go here to the plugins, installed plugins, and here you're going to come down to the Short Cell Pixel Optimizer, and you're going to click on Settings. And here it says quota exceeded, right? So it says show me the best possible options, and it says here that it's optimized 101 images and then stopped because it reached, so there's some that are missing, right? You can also get credits by referring people to it. So if you refer your friends and they sign up, then you'll get 100 image credits for each month. So here we would click here and look on show me best available options, and we'll see that how much you need, and it's very inexpensive. It's like $5 a month to get 150 more. And if you need more than that, let's see if we click on, oh, I don't even know if it's giving us that. It's not giving us that option. Let's see if it'll give me that option of the pricing. Oh, $299. Okay, so that's all right. So that says it's most okay. So we would just click on buy, and it would take us to their plans, and oh, it's going to give us 5,000 credits each month. Okay, so then you just go ahead and continue on, log in, and do that. And then that's what you do. So then you can have, we're getting 60% reduction in our images, and that's after we resize them. Okay, so we create the correct sizes, and we make sure that we do just like in the Income School. I'm leaving a link to the Income School. I am an affiliate of the Income School. I'm going to leave you a link to their course. It is the best course I've ever taken. So I love that course. If you like this video, please comment below. Subscribe to my video channel about increasing your productivity in your workplace and in your work, and other things that you might need to know about to get your business off the ground and working better and working more efficiently. So any of those kind of topics you would like me to create some videos in, let me know by leaving a comment below. And I will see you on the next training video.